This is how you're going to do the For a Fortnight challenge on YouTube Shorts. Start by choosing the music in the bottom right-hand corner and use this sound. Then you're going to add your clips from your phone. Add as many clips as you want, and you use your fingers to drag to shorten the video to whatever length you want. I did a ton of different clips. You can choose as many as you want. This is for 16 seconds. Some of mine were longer, some of them were shorter. Once you do that, you can actually slide this on the bottom if you have a clip that's longer than a minute. And when you're done, click this check mark on the right-hand side. Then you want to adjust the sound. The sound's really important. You want to make sure the original sound is off so you can just hear Fortnite by Taylor Swift. If you want to add some text, it's super simple to do. And when you click on that text, you can actually edit the timing of it and drag it to wherever in the clip you want to have the words showing at as much or as little as you want. And when you're done with that, you're going to click next in the top right. Make sure you add your hashtag. Don't forget the hashtag. And then you can choose not for children. You can edit the cover if you like to. I hope this helps.